Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Singh and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine in your lives. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you a lot of important things that are very essential for you to learn if you are a college student. First of all, the first thing that I'm going to tell you, that is the basis of this video, is what is data analytics and what is data engineering. Second thing that I'm going to tell you is that how you can opt for free specialization courses by Google, which are available on Coursera. As I talk about free courses, the third thing that I'm going to tell you, that how you can actually audit the courses and learn for free. That means I'm going to tell you the step-by-step process on how to audit the course. The fourth amazing thing that I'm going to teach you in this video is that how to get financial aid approved in Coursera. A lot of you guys don't know that if you want free certificates from Coursera, you can apply for financial aid application. Now in that application, people ask you a lot of questions like what is your family income, what are your future goals, etc, etc. So I'm going to tell you how to answer each one of these questions properly and get approved. So मैंने Coursera से course लेना start किया था while I was in second year or third year of my college, और मैंने financial aid application apply किया था. So मैं आपको यहाँ पे mails दिखा दूँगी कि मेरे financial aid application approve हुए. That means after completing the course मैंने सर्टिफिकेट लिया है, और आप उन सर्टिफिकेट्स को अपने सीवी में दिखा सकते हो, अपने लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल में दिखा सकते हो. एक्चुअली सर्टिफिकेट्स का इतना कोई मैटर नहीं करते अगर आपके पास स्किल है, बट बहुत सारे आप में से पूछते रहते हो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कि विल आई गेट द सर्टिफिकेट और नॉट. सो हियर इज द आंसर. इफ यू वांट टू गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम Coursera for free, you need to apply for financial aid application and get it approved. So I'm going to tell you how to do that as well. Now one more thing, please share this video with your friends who are in like remote areas who don't have the proper knowledge of these things. The main motive of creating these type of videos is that it should reach a lot of people who don't know about these resources, who don't know that they can actually learn for free. A lot of things they can learn for free, and they don't have to spend a lot of money in coaching and everything. They just need one mobile phone or one laptop and good internet connection that has absolutely cost very less than a college degree. So the main motive is to help others who don't have the proper resources. So please make sure कि आप ये वीडियो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो, और जिन्हें डेटा साइंस की फील्ड में जाना है, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड में जाना है, जिन्हें नहीं पता कि एक्चुअली वो Coursera से कैसे कोर्स फ्री में ले सकते हैं और पढ़ सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ ये वीडियो उनके साथ शेयर करो. दैट्स ऑल, एंड नाउ लेट्स जस्ट get started with the video finally. Now let's talk about data engineering first. I have my laptop over here, so I'm going to read out some notes that I've made because I don't want to forget anything over here. Now, what is data engineering? Data engineers are responsible for managing and organizing the data. They have to look out for the inconsistencies in the data as well, that if there is any inconsistency, how it is going to impact the business overall. They should have good communication skills because they have to communicate what is data is saying to the other people in the organization. That means they should have the proper knowledge of converting the data, what data is saying, to proper English words so that the other people can understand. Now they should have strong programming knowledge. They should have a proper knowledge of mathematics. They should have a proper computer science background. Now the task that they have to perform on day-to-day basis is, first one is prepare data for predictive and prescriptive modeling. Second one is find hidden patterns in data. That means you should have a proper knowledge of SQL, because you have to perform a lot of queries into your data to find those inconsistencies, to find those patterns that are going to impact your business, that are going to impact your organization. Third thing, use data to discover tasks that can be automated. So I think it is pretty much clear. Fourth one is develop, construct, test and maintain database architectures. So a lot of times you have a lot of data that you need to work on, and the organization keep on taking out the previous data that they have worked on. So you have to maintain all of them in the proper database. They have to be organized, they have to be managed. So all of these things are done by a data engineer. So here we have the data engineering with Google Cloud professional certificate. I will give this link over here in the description box below so that you can directly come to this course. Now over here you can see the things that you're going to learn if you opt for this specialization course. Now, if you come below over here, you can see all the 6 courses that are part of this professional certification. So I told you at the beginning of this video that both of these 2 courses are specialization course. That means both of these courses have 6 or 8 courses inside them. So you have to do all of them if you want to get the specialization course certificate, or you can opt for any one of them if you want to do single course as well. Now, let's just understand how to opt for this course for free. You have to click on this Google Cloud Platform Big Data. Okay. Then here, over here, you have to see like, okay, what you're going to learn, everything you can read over here. Then here you will find this enroll for free starts March 15. You have to click on this one. Then if you click on next, you will see this thing 7-day free trial. Now over here you will find this audit this course link. So if you click on this audit the course, this course will start for free of cost. Now it's taking me to that place. Yes, so you can see that now I can learn this course over here. This is week 1, what I'm going to learn in the week 1. I can open a video over here to show you guys. I can set my weekly goal, how much I want to learn. So see, it's so simple. You just have to click on audit the course, okay? And the course will be available for you for free of cost. Now, let's just look into the another thing, that is data analytics. So what is data analytics? In this field, you only have to work with the data, but unlike data engineer, you don't have to actually perform a lot of mathematical calculation and everything. Here you have to perform the exploratory data analysis. You have to gather the data from various resources and clean the data. You have to manage the data and see that okay, out of this whole data, out of this whole large data set, what are the things that you can actually use. So you have to basically clean the data, you have to organize the data pretty well, and you have to collect the data. That's all. If you understand the process of exploratory data analysis, that means you are good to go on in the field of data analytics. You should have a proper knowledge of any one of the programming languages, that is Python or R. If you're doing it with Python, let me tell you, you have to work with pandas or NumPy, and there are other things as well. If you are working on a tool, you can use Tableau, and yeah, that's all. You're good to go in data analytics field. Google Data Analytics, you just have to click on this one. Now here you will see Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. When you come below over here, you will see the things that you are going to learn. You will get a shareable certificate. That means you can share the certificate on your LinkedIn profile or any other profile that you have. You can also download the certificates as well. And this course is for the beginners. No degree or prior experience is required. You can take this course if you are not from computer science field as well. Skills that you are going to gain from this full professional certification course is spreadsheet, data cleansing, data analysis, data visualization, SQL, decision making, problem solving, metadata, a lot of skills that you're going to gain from this one. Now over here, what you guys can see is that this course contains 8 courses inside that. So just like the previous one that I've told you, this course is a specialization course. So there are 8 courses inside this one. Now, starting from the first one, you can see we have foundations, data everywhere. Now, how you're going to see that, what are the things that you're going to learn in this particular course? Just see at the end of this description, in each one of these courses, you have this thing at the end. By the end of this course, you will gain an understanding of the practices and process used by a junior or associate data analyst in their day-to-day job. Then we have learned about key analytical skills. So you can read them out in each one of the courses. You can see all the things that you're going to learn. At the end of this course, you will have the knowledge of these things. Now, suppose if you want to opt for any one of these free courses, so how you're going to do that? Suppose I want this, okay, let's just take this share data through the art of visualization. You have to click on this thing. Now it will take you to the course. Again, you will see enroll for free starting March 2021. You have to, okay, it is coming soon. Let's just go back. This Google Data Analytics course has abhi launched well. So that's why it's showing that. Let's just click on this ask questions to make data driven decisions. You have to click on enroll for free, and then you have to click on audit the course. So when you click on audit the course, you will get the course for free, and then you can start learning for free. Again, I will show you by clicking on a video that this is the first video in the course. You can start like this. Okay, finally, guys, I'm going to show you how to apply for the financial aid application. So let's just open any one of the courses over here. So I've taken this course. Let's just go back, and let's just go back from here as well. Now, over here, you guys will see financial aid available. Okay, okay, let's just go back. Yeah, over here. You guys will see financial aid available. You have to click on this thing, and here you have to click on continue to the application for the course Foundations Data Everywhere, or enroll and start learning today. So you have to click on continue to the application. Now it will take you to the application that is financial aid. Here you will see that they are saying we are proud to offer a financial aid program that helps people access the skills they want to learn. Our program was created to help those who can't afford to pay for a course on their own. Now, we ask that every applicant shares accurate information on their application, commits to finishing the Coursera courses. So you have to click on both of them. Now, please type the following sentence. I agree to the terms above. I agree to the terms above. That's all. And then you have to, okay, this should be in capital. Okay, now after that, you have to click on continue. Now here you will find background information. So as I've told you that they are going to ask you some questions that you need to answer. So just answer these questions, that what is your educational background, if you have a college degree, if you are a student or some college, you can answer that. Then you have to put your annual income in US dollars. Okay, so convert your family annual income and convert that to dollars, and then write it over here. Then over here you have to write employment status. So you can put full-time, part-time, unemployed, student. Okay. How much you can afford to pay. So suppose if your family income like annual income is $10,000, you can put over here like you can only pay like $20 or $10, okay, per month. Or you can put like $5 or like don't write zero, okay, please don't write zero. Like write $10 or $12 or $20 at least per course. Okay, don't write per month, write per course. देन आफ्टर ईयर व्हाई आर यू अप्लाइंग फॉर फाइनेंशियल एड. ओके, सो जैसे जब मैंने अप्लाई किया था तो मैंने एक बेसिक सा रीज़न दिया था कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे मींस मैं कॉलेज में हूँ, सो मैं मेरी फीस भी मेरे मॉम डैड को देनी पड़ती है, एंड देन मेरा भाई भी है, उसकी भी फीस देनी पड़ती है. सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन माई मॉम डैड. सो मैंने बहुत सारा थोड़ा सा इमोशनल करके यहाँ पे लिख दिया था. सो आपको भी वैसे ही लिखना है. आपको ऐसे लिखना है कि आप वो फीस पे करने के लिए आपके पास पैसे नहीं है. ओके, सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे अपना गरीबी दिखानी है आपको. सो या, सो अगर आप मिडिल क्लास में हो, सो यू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, आपको यहाँ पे मतलब फुल ऑन आपको बताना है कि आप क्यों अप्लाई करो फाइनेंशियल एड के लिए, आपके पास पैसे क्यों नहीं है. ओके, then you have to put over here how will taking this course will help you achieve your career goals. So यहाँ basically मैंने लिखा था, जब मैं सेकेंड ईयर में कॉलेज में थी, so मैंने बेसिकली लिखा था कि मुझे डेटा साइंस फील्ड में जाना है और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ इस फील्ड में. मैंने ये कोर्स ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर रखा है इस वेबसाइट से, और अब मुझे और नॉलेज चाहिए. सो बेसिकली आपको अपने फ्यूचर गोल्स बताने हैं कि आप अपने आप को इस पोजीशन पे देखना चाहते हो, आपको ये मीन्स इस कंपनी में इस पोजीशन पे एम्प्लॉयमेंट चाहिए. सो आप ये सब लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे. Okay, help us improve. So you can put over here, would you consider using a low interest loan to pay for your courses? Say no. If you answer no, please help us understand why. So again, आपको full on emotional लिखना है यहाँ पे कि क्यों आप नहीं पे कर सकते हो, क्यों आपके पास पैसे नहीं है. So आप कह सकते हो कि आपकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, आप अपने पेरेंट्स पे बोझ नहीं बनना चाहते हो, आप को पढ़ना है आगे, और आप बहुत सारी फीस ऑलरेडी पे कर रहे हो अपने कॉलेज के लिए, सो आप ये अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. बेसिकली आंसर दैट. ओके, then I'm not a robot and submit application. So after you submit it, it will get approved, and if it gets approved, you have to complete the course that you have taken. So if you are taking So I'm applying this for foundations data everywhere. So I'm going to get the free certificate for this particular course. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till here, and please make sure आप इस वीडियो को like करो. That actually helps me a lot. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो so it reaches a lot of people. Also इस वीडियो को शेयर करो, जैसा मैंने पहले आपको बता दिया है कि मेन मोटिव ये वीडियोस बनाने का ये है कि बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुँचे और वो भी एक्चुअल में इन फ्री रिसोर्सेज का यूज़ कर सके, उन्हें बहुत सारे पैसे लगाने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े ऐसी फालतू कोचिंग्स में या फिर कहीं पे भी. सो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. ऑल्सो अगर आपके कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो सो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. आई वुड लव टू आंसर देम. एंड finally, please be the reason someone smiles today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.